Yes, good. Welcome all. So welcome to the Data Future channel. Today we are going to see write a program, Python program, yes, for temperature conversion. Yes. So Python program we have to write today for temperature conversion. Okay, what exactly a temperature conversion is? So if you enter the temperature in degrees Celsius, like 35 degrees Celsius, in that case you have to convert it into Fahrenheit or Kelvin. And if you enter the temperature in Fahrenheit, you have to convert into degrees Celsius and Kelvin. It's a very simple program. Okay, so let us start with we will take an input from the user. So I'll say it's a temp. So we have to enter the temperature and we have to consider as a float, take as a float, because you can the user can give the input in terms of 98.5 like this, 35.5 like this. Okay, so I will take input and I'll say enter the temperature. Okay, good. Now once temperature is entered, you have to give the input as a unit. So unit is equal to input we have to take, and you have to put the unit. So what is the unit of that this thing, uh, the temperature? So if it is capital C, it's a Celsius. So we will say if it is capital F is Fahrenheit. Okay, and if it is capital K is Kelvin. Okay, no issues. So that unit you have to take from the user. And one more term I'll add here, that is dot upper. So whatever uh, the user gives the input in lowercase or the uppercase, it will be converted obviously in uppercase, no issues. Okay, so initially I'll give the first condition, that is if unit is equal to capital C. So we have to convert into Fahrenheit. So what is that expression? So expression is 1.8. Yes, good. It's 1.8 into temperature plus 32. So this can be converted into Fahrenheit and I have to convert it into Kelvin too. So for the Kelvin, very simple. It's 273 plus whatever is the temperature. So now it is in Kelvin. Now we have to print, and I'll say I'll give us it's a formatted string. So temperature, sure, I'll write equal to curly brackets here Fahrenheit. So simply I'll write F, and for temperature here I'll change it's Kelvin. Okay, it's a K. Yes, Kelvin for K. Yes, that's all. For this particular case, now if user enters the Fahrenheit as the input, so if I'll use unit equal to capital F. If it enters like this, so I have to convert into Celsius. Now Celsius conversion expression is temperature. We have to add with 32 and you have to divide with 1.8. It's just a rearrangement of the terms. Earlier expression we have seen. Then Kelvin is equal to, it's very simple, 273 plus whatever is the degree Celsius we have to add. And again we have to write this, yes, here. Good. So here temperature, instead of this I have to write capital C, and I'll write C Celsius, and here K as it is. And if this degree Celsius and the Fahrenheit both cases, and the third unit is Kelvin. So yes, instead of this F and C, if it enters the Kelvin, I'll say directly else. Okay, else, then it should convert into degree Celsius, and degree Celsius is temperature minus 273. Okay, temperature minus 273, and here it's a Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 into C and plus 32. Good. And we have to print it here once again, and we have to change it here. This term is Fahrenheit F, and I'll write here F. Okay, that's all for this particular program. So welcome to this temperature conversion program, and this is very I think it's a clean code. So let us run this first time. So yes, if I enter 35, and I'll say it's a degree Celsius. So see, yes, the temperature is 95 Fahrenheit, and this is 308 Kelvin. Good. Second time, if I enter the 118.5, and it is Fahrenheit, yes, so 83.61111 degrees Celsius, and temperature in Kelvin is 356.61111 Kelvin. Wow, good. Now, if I enter, it's a 305.68. Okay, and it's a Kelvin. Yes, good. 32.68 Kelvin. Sorry, degree Celsius, and 90.82 Fahrenheit. Good. So this is about uh, the temperature conversion program. It's very simple. Okay. So thanks for watching. Thank you.